Hello, you trader nerds. Welcome in. It is another week. It is the week before Christmas. I would imagine that volume is going to be mighty, mighty, mighty low this week. And indeed, it is 2,800. And y'all, the reason I'm late today is all McDonald's fault. I say, hey, my family's out. I'll go through the drive through. I'll get, the family some food. And then we go through, ordering for a family of seven. You can imagine it's a lot, $58. And then they don't have my little redheaded daughter's four-piece chicken nuggets. So I send my daughter in, not my 9-year-old, 8-year-old daughter. I send my 19-year-old daughter in to get the nuggets. Then she comes back after 20 minutes, says, Daddy, they're trying to charge me for it. I'm like, oh, hell, now I got to go in. So then I go in and I'm like, oh, sir, we have no record of this order. And I'm like, it's a four-piece chicken nuggets. Hand me the damn four-piece chicken nuggets. So anyway, I finally found it on my phone and found the order. And then they still looked at me like I was a crook. So buy puts on McDonald's. Stupid McDonald's. Let's see how McDonald's is doing. Let's see. MCD, right? MCD. Uh-huh. 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 I see you. Stupid bunch of clowns. All right. So anyway, let's see. VIX is 12.47. Now our net lick is going to be down today. Do you know why? Yes, I have, Chris. I have bought presents for my wife already. I can't tell you what it is. Beth, you in here? It's pots and pans. That's what she wanted. I know what you're thinking, Bobby. That's not very romantic. That's what the woman wanted. All right, what are we talking about? Okay. So anyway, you might see some big moves in the market this week on low volume. So just be careful, up and down. And so we're up 0.59%. Let's look at the expected move for the week. The expected move is all the way up to the 47.68. We might take that out. So you see it's been bullish, 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 and then really bullish this week on our expected move to the upside. Let's see how our daily moving average is doing. Remember, as long as we are above the 200 daily moving average, we are in a bullish mode, which we are. Then we go to the 10 and 20 exponential moving averages. If we're above those weekly moving averages, then we are continuous in a bull market. And of course, the 10 monthly moving average, we are above all of that. So bull, 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 and away. Let's see what the big green monster looks like. Big green monster looks like we are going to, remember, y'all, we should see a little bit of resistance at 4,800, but we're going to 4,827. It is just a matter of time and probably will happen within the next 10 days. Hey, who's crying? What's wrong? Oh, the baby boat was born, but it died. Y'all found it?
Yeah.
Where was it at? Is it dead? Oh,
It's skin.
it's skin. Well,
We found skin of it. It was born dead.
okay. Sorry. One of my baby goats was born. Well, not exactly pot, Glenn. Add a S to that. Oh, dang it. One of my baby goats is born dead. Oh, I hate that. Farming's hard, even though the state of Georgia says I'm not a farmer, bunch of bastards.
Daddy,
What?
you remember?
I heard. I heard.
Around the scraps.
Oh, God. Oh, go throw that in the trash. Okay. Oh, don't put it in there. Take that and throw. You don't throw goat skin in my damn trash can, JoJo. Take that and throw it in the garbage outside. Go put it in. Oh.
She's gonna attack me, Dad.
No, put it in a garbage bag in the kitchen and go take it out to the dumpster outside. You don't put animal carcasses in my house, JoJo, and don't pull it up into my office. Jeez. Oh, 16 more days. They're on vacation. 16 more days. Okay, what were we doing? Okay, so let's see what our Crimson account is doing today. Now, Crimson account ought to be fine, but our other ones, y'all, are going to be. Bill it went ex-dividend. So we're at 23,050. 23,050. 23,050. Today is the 18th. 23. Fire up the band, Rico. We're up.
Moving on up to the side, to a deluxe apartment in the sky.
Yes, hallelujah. All right, so our deltas are 20 and our theta is 20. How about that? 2020. It's a sign of something, isn't it? 20 and 20 and 20. Good. And here we are at a 12, and our buying power, we're only using $6,100 in buying power. I don't know, y'all. I'm seeing putting on the trade. What do y'all see? Right? A little low here. I don't know. Yeah, let's put on a trade. Let's see if we got anything we got to close. Nope. Everything looks good. So let's go put a little more theta in the pot. So we'll go trade. We'll go into the macros. Where's my macros? Here we go. And let's see. 120 days, if I remember how to do this. And then we go to the 5% probability of being in the money. Here we go. 589. There we go. So let's get this 4,000, y'all. 4,000, 123 days, 1725. Do two of those. Come on, baby. 1725s. Come on, baby. Yeah, dead goat carcasses in my house. Unbelievable. Y'all wonder why nobody comes over for Thanksgiving. There we go. $17, 4,000. So let's put those in. So we sold the 4,000s for 17, wasn't it? Okay, so MES. We sold two of those, or I hope I did. And we'll call this naked put 105. Puts naked 123, 12, 18, 23. Brought in $167. Make sure that's right. Yep, two of those. So let's go back to the trade tab. Go to about the 25 delta. So let's see if we could do the 4650s. 4,600. Now I bet that's going to be over $10, isn't it? No. Let's see if we can get it filled for $975. There we go. $975, 4,650, 4,600. 4,650, 4,600. 4,650, 4,600 for $975. Oh, isn't this fun? Aren't y'all glad that we have stayed so good this year? We've had a great year, y'all. What a fun time we've had together. ODS 105, puts, debit spread 123, 12, 18, 23. I know it's crazy that we're selling the 4,000 puts. Absolutely. Really weird. All right, so let's go put those in their little groups. Now, we also need to check and see if any of the ones that we've already sold are at 95% profit, right? We need to be consistent. Need to remember to do that. So let's go get this stuff. So this is a T-bill. So we'll move that to T-bill. Then we got these little jokers. So we got a put debit spread and another put debit spread and some nakeds and some nakeds. And let's see if anything is at a 100% or 95% profit. So let's see, naked put. Yep, look at there, y'all. I mean, what do you want to do? I mean, there's no need in leaving that risk on, is there? Yeah. So we got one at 96%. So these are the 3,400s. And now we're at the 4,000s. Isn't that crazy? Let's take them all. Create closing order. We'll try 50 cents. There we go. 3,400s out at 50 cents. Let's go put that in. 3,400s. Here they are at 50 cents. No need in leaving risk on, baby. Take it all. There we go. Yeah. Got it. All right, we're done with this account. Let's go to the other accounts. Now, remember, the other accounts are going to show losses because Bill went down because of the ex-dividend date. So, or yeah, ex-dividend, when ex-dividend. So we are at 454, 421. That's going to show a loss, 454, 442. 454, 442. 454, 442. But that's not really a loss, y'all. Not a loss at all. I guess I could play the music. Damn it. All right. So what we got here? Greeks and ratios on that one. Let me pull this down. Uh-oh, you got a 4,100 naked puts, Glenn. How about that? So in this account, we are at 190, 185, almost a 1-to-1 ratio like the other account. 190, 185. Oh, yeah, we're building this up nicely. 190, 185. Fix is at 12. And the buying power is ES is 78,438. 78,438. So we are at 17% in our we're only at this, but there's really nothing to do in this account. Now, this is the account, y'all, that we put in the order to buy the loans. Now, remember, I figured this out the other day. We sold the 3 short puts and we bought the long puts, right? The other day. So, of the Black Swan hedge. And now that leaves me with 3 shorts and 12 longs. Yeah. Is that right? No, 8 longs. No, 8 longs. Yeah, 8 longs. 3 shorts and 8 longs. I knew that was wrong. I was looking at the wrong number. All right. So let's see how close we are to getting our working order going. We should have a working order. Activity working to close or to sell those buy those loans at $1.60, and they're currently going for $2.80. Okay, good. So nothing to do in that account. Let's go to the final account. First of all, let's look at what our risk profile looks like here. Look at this, y'all. Look at that. There is no place on the board that I am showing a loss. Isn't that great? I mean, goes up, yay, who cares? Goes down, yay, it's great. And the reason is now I've got those 8 loans of that Black Swan hedge that has taken me down to probably what, 3 or 4 standard deviations here, which is really, really good. I love that. All right, so let's go to the other account. Let's see. Make sure we know which one it is. Here we go. So here we are at 41,354. 41,354. 41,354. And this one has Bill in it as well. So nothing to be concerned about. Our net lick is down only because of Bill. We don't do any trades in that one. This is our freehand account. So over here, this one is at, which one is this one? Yeah, 2132, 2132, 2132. Is that right? I don't like that. 12, and the buying power over here. Remember, we got Bill in this one, so come there. There we go. There we go. So over here, our positions tell us that we're only using 7,600, which is good. 7,600 in buying power. Okay, so it's telling me I got to make a trade, y'all. So let's go do that. So make sure we're trading the right account. Yep, and let's go trade the micros. What's the micros? And we'll go trade, and we'll go 120 days, so 123 days, and we'll sell the 3. No, I'm thinking of something else. What am I doing? 5 delta. 5 delta would be the 4,000 or the 30. What are the 3950s over here? There you go. We'll try the mid-price quantity 2. And come on, baby. Nothing. Jack, squat, crap, nothing. Okay. Replace order. Make it less advantageous for us. And we are in. Now let's do our little put debit spread. About a 25 delta. 25. So we could do the 4,600, 4,550. There we go. Let's bump that up just a little bit and swing better. I said swing better. Place order. Okay, good. Good. All right. So I think that's all we need to do today. Is it possible to download Bobby's spreadsheets? Yes, Herb. If you are in the Muscadine Mafia or the Ninja Nerds or the Hello Ladies gang,
Hello, ladies.
then make sure you go through their chat room and the spreadsheets are in there, should be pinned, right? So it's available to all the premium members. Or if you just want to buy it outright and say, screw being a premium member, then look in the description of any of my videos, and there's a thing there that you can actually purchase the spreadsheet for yourself. Okay. All right. Great session, y'all. Hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. I will see y'all tomorrow.